So if you want to know how I achieved this look from the comfort of my home, then this is the video for you. I'm going to show you how you can achieve a salon quality manicure at home. And if this is something that might be of interest to you, then do stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to everyone who's new here. My name is Bridgette, and on this channel I talk about all things fashion, style, beauty and lifestyle related. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I do my manicures from home. I'm going to show you how I prep and paint my nails. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide suitable for beginners, along with the products that you will need. I've been painting my own nails from home for over a year now, and I find it significantly budget friendly because investing in some basic nail care products is a one-time expense. I love the convenience. I can paint my nails whenever it is convenient for me without the need to schedule an appointment and travel to the salon. I also love it because of the easy maintenance. I can touch up my nails and fix more chips without the hassle of returning to the salon. I also get to change my nail colors as often as I want. So I can have red nails today, purple nails tomorrow, nude colors the next day, orange next week, white or black the following week, and so forth, without worrying about the damage that it might do to my pocket. So let's start with the products that you need for the manicure. And first on my list is a nail polish color of your choice. And for the purposes of this video, I've chosen this red nail polish, and this is Pretty Woman by Morgan Taylor, and this is what it looks like. And then the next item is a base coat, and then today I'm also using this one from Morgan Taylor. And then you're also going to need a top coat. This is my choice. Another good base coat, it's one from Sally Hansen, and it's the Instant Drip top coat. I love both of these because they are quick drying. And then you're also going to need either cotton balls or cotton pads, and this is what I use. You will also need a nail file or a buffer, cuticle oil, and you can also use castor oil if you don't have cuticle oil. And you will also need a cuticle remover, an instant cuticle remover, and this is my favorite from Sally Hansen. And then you will also need orange sticks. These ones I buy them as a pack. And you're also going to need a hand cream or a hand lotion, and this is my choice from Sobe. So all of these products that I've shown you, I got them from discount except for the cuticle oil, which I got from my nail technician a long time ago. And now let's dive straight into the manicure. So I always start by prepping my nails because you want to start with clean and dry nails. And then I remove any old nail polish using the nail polish remover and the cotton pads or cotton balls. So this process is very simple and straightforward. So the next step is shaping the nails, and I use a nail file that I showed you to shape my nails to the desired length and shape. I always try to file in one direction to prevent my nails from splitting, and I like the square shape. That's my favorite nail shape, and I achieve this by filing straight across the nails and straight on the sides. I then file down the corners just to smoothen them. And this is a quick demonstration of how I file and shape my nails. Now the next step is to gently push back the cuticles using a cuticle pusher or an orange stick. I squeeze the instant cuticle remover onto my cuticles. After 15 seconds, I push back the cuticles like so. So I do this so that I can have a clean and clear nail bed to work with. And also pushing back your cuticles is also advantageous for someone who's got small nail beds, because it's going to give you a little bit of extra space. The next step is to buff your nails, and this is an optional process. I don't do this all the time because I want to prevent my nails from thinning. So I use a nail buffer just to smooth the surface of the nails, and this helps the polish to adhere better and to create a smoother finish. Step 5 is a base coat. So I then apply a thin and even layer of the base coat to each nail. A base coat is important because it forms a barrier between the natural nail and the colored nail polish. This protection helps prevent the nail polish from staining the natural nail, particularly with dark or highly pigmented nail polish colors. So it helps the nail polish to adhere better, extending the life of the manicure by reducing chipping and peeling. So if your natural nails have ridges or imperfections, a base coat can help you fill in those irregularities, creating a smoother surface for the colored polish. The next step is to apply the nail polish. My nail polish choice of today is the Smoke & Tailor in the color red, and the shade is Pretty Woman. I apply the nail polish color in thin and even strokes, starting in the middle of the nail and then move to the sides. I avoid touching the cuticles with the nail polish, so I make sure to use less nail polish on the brush. I do that by removing the nail polish from one side of the brush. If you don't do this, the nail polish pulls up the cuticle area and dries looking sloppy. I clean up any mistakes immediately with an orange stick. I wipe off any nail polish from the orange stick immediately to avoid dipping the nail color back onto the nail or the cuticle. I then cap the free edge of the nail, and this I do to avoid chipping and to extend the life of the nail polish. After applying the first coat of the nail polish color, I leave it for a few minutes, and then I go in with the second coat of the nail polish color, and I do this to achieve full opacity. I don't usually cap the edges of the nails with the second coat. Once I'm done with applying the second coat of my nail polish, I then apply the top coat. And the primary purpose of a top coat is to create a protective layer over the colored nail polish. This layer acts as a seal, guarding the nail polish from chipping, smudging, and external damage, thereby extending the life of your manicure. Also adds shine to the nail polish, giving your nails a polished and professional look. My top coat of choice is this Need for Speed by Smoke & Tailor. I love it because it's quick drying. Many people hate nail polishes simply because they take forever to dry. My tip for you is to invest in a good, quick drying top coat, and my personal favorites are this Smoke & Tailor Need for Speed and this Sally Hansen Instant Dry top coats. Both are available from Discount. You can also find Smoke & Tailor nail polishes, base coats and top coats at Discount and Woolworths. What I also like about this Smoke & Tailor Need for Speed top coat is that it's self-leveling. So if you make a mistake or smudge your manicure, you don't have to remove it and start afresh. You simply apply the top coat. It smoothens and evens out the surface of the nails, even if the colored polish underneath has minor imperfections or streaks. And the best news is that you don't have to wait for the nail polish color to dry completely. So you can apply your top coat even when the nail polish is still wet. The top coat will quickly dry all the layers underneath. And the next step is the final touches. So after my nails are completely dry, I apply hand lotion and the cuticle oil. The hand lotion helps to hydrate my hands, and the purpose of the cuticle oil is to moisturize the cuticle area, keeping it soft and supple and avoiding issues like cracking and peeling. Castor oil is also a good replacement if you don't have a cuticle oil. Dry cuticles can lead to hangnails, which are not only painful but can also lead to infections. So a regular application of the cuticle oil can help prevent hangnails by keeping the cuticles moisturized. So this is a simple but effective step in maintaining the health and appearance of your nails and cuticles. And that's it for today's video. This is how you can do a manicure at home with salon results. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. If you have any suggestions for videos that you want to see, please let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share this video with someone who enjoys this type of content. And let's make the circle bigger. Don't forget to press the subscribe button if you haven't. It is free. Otherwise, see you in the next one. Bye.